Et salut tout le monde les amis, ici Kekch, aujourd'hui une nouvelle vidéo sur WWE 2K25 My Rise pour la suite du voyage dans le temps avec Cody Rhodes. Tout va bien, on y va, c'est... Regardez les autres épisodes hein, si vous savez pas où on en est. Voilà.
The eccentric enigma himself, Stardust.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from the fifth dimension, weighing in at 220 pounds, Stardust!
I'm surprised Stardust looks this composed. This is a huge match for him, and he's facing an opponent who's been on a real tear for the last few years.
Yes, but Orton has seemed more vulnerable of late, and who knows? Stardust might just be the cosmic force to bring the Viper back down to earth.
This is it, folks. Stardust and Randy Orton here at WrestleMania. The Viper is ready.
And his opponent from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 245 pounds, Randy Orton!
A chill is in the air. The cold, calculated nature of Randy Orton is about to be on display. The Viper is a superstar who does not play well with others.
Evil intentions in mind tonight, I can guarantee you that. Yeah, Orton always knows when to strike, and when to strike first. Someone comes along who's simply so much better than everyone else. They just make it look easy. Randy Orton is that someone. He was born into greatness.
Donc là, on me fait affronter Randy Orton Prime. Ouais. Pas... Mon Prime c'est pas trop ça mais... C'est quoi déjà Dark Matter? Dark Matter, ok c'est sur Attack SP, ok. Je m'attendais pas à utiliser Stardust, qui est globalement la pire gimmick de Cody Rhodes hein. Yes, 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 yes. Tiens, un coup bas. Mon pote. Randy Orton, qui est le mentor de Cody Rhodes, hein, on ne l'oublie pas. Ce qui rajoute pas mal de... J'ai rien à dire. Allez. Réflexe, mon pote. Allez, viens là. Viens qu'on se castagne un coup là. Ok. Je suis nul. Non.
Looking for something big here. Watching like a predator with wounded prey. He's as good as from way up. Pop right in the stomach.
Ok.
Separation.
Allez.
Fujiwara armbar.
Je vais le niquer, je vais le niquer.
Fujiwara armbar applied.
You can see the intent behind that attack. Exploiting the arm must be the strategy here.
Damage is starting to take its toll on him.
Stardust taking
Après, il a vraiment la
things
gimmick
very
Stardust, c'est horrible. Oh non.
And it's scouted. Now can capitalize.
Ok. Dark Matter.
Swinging the elbow to halt the offense.
good. Golly, Miss Molly.
Dark Matter.
Gagner contre... Oh yes, faut gagner maintenant.
He counters with a great reversal.
Oh.
Dropping his opponent with clothesline. Ducks out of the
Oh le
way.
bâtard.
Power slam by the
Ah le bâtard. Ah le bâtard. Ok. Allez.
Uh-oh. What a takedown. Fujiwara armbar.
On va essayer de le niquer comme il faut.
Fujiwara
Là, si ça s'annonce complexe.
trying to take away that grip, that range of motion on that end.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Ok.
How are they gonna hear after this match?
Parce que là, le tombé, il passe tellement pas. Là. Oh. Ok, c'est passé. Est-ce qu'il va craquer sa révolte? Non.
Talk about a close count, but the Viper is still in the fight.
You gotta
J'ai-
imagine
oui,
this match
oui,
is a different
oui.
complexion after what we just saw. Orton never saw that coming.
Casse-toi. Richardson, mon cul.
Launched right out of the ring.
Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y. Non, il m'a contré.
The face.
Orton hooking his opponent.
Vas-y, j'ai voulu faire un coup bas, ça a pas marché. Oh,
Orton going to that place could be academic from here.
j'ai contré.
Dog is out of the way.
Ok. Ok, ok, ok.
Looks to climb the top
C'est
rope.
compliqué. Bâtard.
Way too. Oh no.
Ok.
Decided to take a leap of faith.
Oh,
Paid the price.
Down to Orton.
ça va le faire, j'y
And a
crois.
double axe handle smash.
J'y crois plus.
Attacking the knee.
Uh-oh. Trouble might be coming our way.
Quick, Saxton, get under the table to protect yourself.
Good idea.
And he tosses it back in there. Springboard.
Bâtard.
Big mistake, and that error could be caught. They're coming.
Non.
For the
Non, 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 non. Comment ça, j'ai failli faire un 3? Comment ça?
This guy away.
Je vais te niquer en fait.
Great
Mais je vais te
triple
niquer.
there, trying to get it fully locked in. Oh my God, superhuman power. A
Mais je vais le
single
niquer.
leg camel clutch and a great counter. Kick connects.
Voilà.
Stardust has it cinched in. There's the
Donc là, il va se laisser crever.
It's done. 2 count.
Toujours pas.
Viper will not perish. The Viper cannot be
Casse-toi,
slain
encore.
here tonight.
And you gotta think that all the plans are out the window after that.
Where's the honor in that?
Oh non, 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 non.
Randy Orton gets him back.
Non, mais non.
This is a way to incapacitate
Je suis tellement mort.
every inch of your opponent, slowly, methodically, and painfully. Orton hasn't been. Here we go.
Non. Putain.
Finally ends it, and all the bloodshed, perhaps worth it now.
Mais on m'a dit essayer. Ah non, il n'y avait pas d'essayer. Ok, là j'ai réussi à craquer
It's still in this.
son mode je reviens. Ça révolte. Allez, viens. Non, toi, venir. Allez. Non. Oh putain. C'est pas bien. Ah, non. Yes, 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 yes. Vas-y, vas-y, il y a un moment, il y a un monde où ça passe. Ok, non. Oh, mais il fait chier. Oh non, il va me faire son... Non, 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 non. Non, 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 non. Ok, ça va, relève-toi. Putain, mais vas-y, c'est une machine à contre maintenant. Mais je vais te niquer. C'est genre j'avais l'avantage tout le long et là d'un coup il s'est dit tiens, je vais faire chier. Ah, on va le niquer un peu à l'extérieur. Ok. Ok, j'ai un truc. Oh non. Non, lève-toi. Putain. Ok. Ok. Vas-y. Allez. Comment? Comment? Tu m'expliques? Là tu vas voir qu'il va gagner en 2-2 là. Allez, oui. Non, je devais contrer, putain. Putain, non. Casse-toi. Allez, oui. Vas-y. On va tenter de tomber de manière complètement aléatoire. Vas-y. Allez. Je vais te baiser. Je vais te baiser. Je vais rester à l'extérieur parce que je ne peux rien faire d'autre. Je vais lui malaxer les boules. Non. Vas-y. Vas-y. Non. Ok. Vas-y. Vas-y. Allez. Oh putain. Oh, j'ai réussi.
Stardust has just etched his name among the immortals. A shocking upset here at WrestleMania.
This could be the beginning of the end of Orton's dominance. Stardust might very well have shaken the foundations of WWE here tonight. Unbelievable.
Oh, c'est cardio, hein. Fier de soutenir un titre de 2 ensemble. Ah ouais. Ah, du coup, il est de notre côté. Ah, c'est stylé. On est revenu dans le présent.
Well, looks like we straightened it all out. we've successfully returned things to the exact same terrible place we started from. That's the Time Team success story.
Hey, we somehow kept Randy Orton on Team WWE. That's a win.
I guess that must have been the butter knife effect. Anyway, I'm thinking we need to junk that time machine. There might have been a reason it was hidden in that closet in a box that said, "Do not open under any circumstances."
Yeah, that's probably a smart move. Let's quit before we screw anything else up.
You sure you don't want to go back to 2012 and shave that mustache?
Tempting, but nah. I'm good.
Toutes les refs aux anciennes gimmicks de Cody, elles sont marrantes.
Hold on, your crazy story doesn't make any sense. Randy Orton didn't join Mutiny.
Well, no, not in this timeline, but he did before we fixed it.
In your time machine. That you've now destroyed so we can't see it.
And remind me again why you couldn't just take out CM Punk?
It's not that simple. The space-time continuum is a fragile thing. Trust me, R-Truth and I tried.
Now R-Truth was involved?
Cody, let's think about this. What is more plausible? That R-Truth discovered a time machine and took you back to 2011 where you disrupted the future, leading to a domino effect that left Randy Orton in charge of a stronger, more powerful mutiny?
Or you had a really intense dream?
I did mistake one of Pharaoh's dog treats for a protein bar right after we talked earlier. Made me pretty lightheaded, and the next thing I knew, all of this started. Maybe you've got a point. Anyway, what I do know is Survivor Series is looming. And frankly, you don't have time to find someone else.
Yeah, now that you destroyed the time machine.
Okay, we've given him a hard enough time, but we'd be lucky to have the American Nightmare on our side.
Appreciate that. So, what's our strategy?
Continue à SmackDown, on doit aller hop, ici.
I'm heading over to SmackDown to find one more time-tested warrior to join us.
Be smart. We need to ensure we're fully in sync and ready for everything Mutiny throws at us at Survivor Series.
No doubt.
Ah ouais, c'est Stardust qui était caché. Ah ouais, je m'attendais pas à ça. C'est une bonne surprise. Je suis pas fan de Stardust, mais il est sympa à jouer de temps en temps pour le LoL. Et du coup, nous on veut Rhea Ripley. Juste améliorer attribut, oui. Je veux m'améliorer considérablement. Ouais, 82 gènes, c'est bien. Allez hop.
Rhea, welcome back. It feels like you haven't been around in forever. You have no idea how much you've been missed.
Aw, you noticed. How sweet. I don't suppose this enthusiastic greeting has anything to do with Survivor Series.
No, well, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the most dominant woman in the whole damn sport and everyone knows it. Obviously, the office's recruiter-in-chief would glom on the second I walk through the locker room door.
I wouldn't call it glomming, Rhea. While you were off on your break, you might have missed the fact that a WWE civil war has broken out.
Oh, I'm well aware. Everyone's looking over their shoulder. Nobody trusts anyone. There's a sense of paranoia in the air. It's intoxicating. I love the chaos.
People are saying that obviously you'd return and join Mutiny. Sounds like that might be true.
People are saying is one of the greatest cop-outs of the modern age. Is that what you're saying? That I'm gonna stab WWE in the back so I can go enjoy the freedom of being ordered around by CM Punk?
Okay, that doesn't sound like you. But it is pretty clear that you're taking a certain amount of joy standing on both sides of the line. You need to pick a team.
I don't need to do anything. Besides, I'm not the woman you give the ultimatum to. I'm the woman who gets what I want.
And that is?
Picking up right where I left off. Main events, championships, you get the idea.
I have a lot of pull with the GMs on both brands. You join our Survivor Series team, I think I can arrange all that for you.
Make that happen, and I'm on board. Just remember, we're on this ride to the end no matter how brutal things get.
Ça marche.
It's a deal. I'll talk to the GMs and get you right back to the spot you were in before you went away. Then you announce you're joining our Survivor Series team to take down Mutiny.
I'm in. Go pull the necessary strings.
D'accord.
I never thought I'd say this, but Rhea Ripley, you are a sight for sore eyes. When our mutual friend told me you were going to join our Survivor Series team...
Don't get ahead of yourself, Aldous. This is a transactional arrangement, and you still owe me what I want.
So I guess this isn't a done deal yet? I thought you were locked in. I'll need to speak to our team captains about this.
Is there an issue here? I don't want to join a side that doesn't have their act together.
Everything is fine. We believe our Team WWE leaders are doing an excellent job.
Unless you count getting manipulated by Punk and losing the Unity titles, sure. I'd say putting the future of WWE in the hands of a draft pick and some ex they split with years ago is foolish. But that's just me.
If the seeds of dissent you so ever took flower, well, we would all reap chaos. I heard you wanted to get right back to where you were when you left. To that end, I am prepared to put you against your old enemy, Liv Morgan, for her Women's World Championship.
So you want to put a target on my back? Everyone who's been here working for a title opportunity will be gunning for me.
Look, I'm just trying to make this deal happen. What do you propose?
I'm going to earn the title opportunity like I've earned everything. Set up a match with me against your top contenders.
Why make things harder for yourself?
It's not harder for me, Aldous. It's harder for them. Make the #1 contenders match now.
Ok. J'espère que ça ira. Je veux me battre contre... dans un triple menace. Ouais. Bon, ça va, Rhea Ripley, c'est la meilleure note générale de la division féminine de mémoire.
Rhea Ripley has returned to SmackDown.
The following contest is a triple threat match. Making her way to the ring from Adelaide, Australia, Rhea Ripley.
Rhea Ripley is competing to be the #1 contender for the Women's World Championship, held by her sworn enemy, Liv Morgan.
I hear that Liv's already complaining about favoritism by the general manager. But if Rhea fails to knock off the ring rust, none of those complaints will matter. Rhea Ripley's return match is moments away.
Lyra Valkyria is on the hunt.
And her opponents, first from Dublin, Ireland, Lyra Valkyria.
found their immediate success after getting drafted to the main roster.
A Queen of the Ring finalist, the first ever women's Intercontinental Champion. The sky is the limit for Valkyrie.
Irresistible force.
And from San Diego, California, Nia Jax.
Jax has ruled the women's division since day one.
She's held singles and tag team titles here in WWE and still wants more. It is absolutely impossible to plan against an opponent the size of Nia Jax. Nia Jax looks to be in a bad mood, and I'm pretty sure she's going to take it out on her opponent.
Bon. Je le sens mal.
Rhea Ripley has the opportunity to pick up right where she left off.
Ok, adieu.
Picture if she wins this triple threat match.
Non mais...
Well, that if is carrying a lot of weight, Cole. Lyra Valkyria and Nia Jax are no pushovers, and they're
Non,
not gonna
putain, j'ai oublié, c'est une géante. Ok, parfait.
Against Rhea tonight, Corey. Just take a look at those eyes. She intends to make a statement to WWE and Mutiny
Mais...
tonight.
Mais dégage!
Ooh, she puts
Tu vois pas que je suis en train d'attaquer face à quelqu'un de genre 1000 fois plus gros?
Right out of the ring.
Oh putain.
back into the ring here.
And she just avoided some serious damage.
A string of counters. Knee smash
Okay.
right to the spine.
And the reverse DDT.
Oh,
He wipes them out. Oh, moonsault.
stylé, stylé. Maintenant,
Move like that is what sets you apart from
au
other
sol.
superstars.
Oh man, what a boot. Bang.
Oui,
Vicious boot.
tout se passe bien.
Anticipated that.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
Series of strikes with major impact, all landing clean.
Ok, military press.
And down. Going to the
Non, non,
And she breaks up the pin.
voilà.
Northern Lights.
Et là,
Hit hard and straight into the pin. And Nia Jax quickly
ah, il
kicks
s'est fait
out.
pousser par
Not
l'arbitre.
even close. Valkyria gets countered, showing no signs of defense here, guys.
And Valkyria expected that.
Jaw-shattering boot.
mais Adag, je déteste l'affronter, Nia Jax.
Fends it off. Good counter.
Ok, quelle est cette prise?
Leg scissors monkey flip. Got their opponent set up.
Ok, je vais crever. Adieu.
Never saw it coming.
J'ai une révolte. J'ai mon attaque spéciale.
This could be it. She gets a quick kick out there.
She's still got a lot of stamina left.
Allez, baisez-vous un petit peu là. Non mais, c'est pas moi qu'il faut affronter. Oh, elle me gifle.
No telling what you'll find under the ring here. Just going all out with every blow.
Went for the springboard and miss.
Lyra Valkyria found herself in the wrong place there.
Ok. Ok, ça peut le faire. Putain.
Lyra Valkyria making it loud and clear for her opponent.
Vas-y, mais elle a la vie flambante alors qu'elle se fait défoncer par tout le roster.
Face. Right to the side of the face.
Vas-y, on va essayer d'attaquer la plus faible. Ouais.
Kendo stick across the head.
She wants to take this thing to the
Là, il y a une
outside.
image.
Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring.
I can already feel the sting of the kendo stick and I do not care for it.
She's looking for something under the ring to even her odds here.
Ouh, ça prend des chaises.
Clearly thinking a steel chair.
Oui.
Needed right about now.
Non.
Nia Jax just getting worked on here. Ripley has
J'ai un finisher en stock.
irresistible force
À tout
here.
moment,
Placing her against the turnbuckle.
je les remballe.
Torturous focus on the leg in the corner.
Ripley has things right where she wants them. Here we go. Riptide.
Non, ça sert à rien.
Oh, don't bother counting. She's got a whole other beatdown to hand out.
Oh putain, vas-y. Ok, ça va, c'est pas un finisher. J'ai mon attaque spéciale qui est bientôt prête.
Elbow throw, saying not today.
Chess match of counters and reversals happening here.
Hop là. Hop là.
She's been slowed down yet again. This deep into a
Non.
triple threat, you're lucky
Putain,
you're
j'ai le
still
sub.
standing.
Now this is just overkill. This is just unnecessary. This is no way to treat any human being.
On va essayer de l'avoir. Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y.
Ripley has her opponent up for the electric chair and
Face buster. Right into the pin. This is
Vas-y.
the match.
Vas-y, vas-y, vas-y.
Kick out.
Ok, elle s'est fait la révolte.
What does she have to do to put her away?
I'm asking myself the same question. I have no idea.
Kick to the gut.
Vas-y.
Comes Riptide.
Allez, 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 allez.
Down. Transitions into the pen. Is this it?
Putain de...
Oh, toss to ringside. Oh my goodness. Rhea Ripley in command right now. Shoulders down. She
Ça peut le faire. Yes.
And gets the win, beating the odds in this triple threat.
Here is your winner, Rhea Ripley.
Rhea Ripley has returned and stepped right into title contention.
What else did you expect, Saxton? Liv Morgan has got to be very worried right now.
Parfait. Donc maintenant, j'ai un seul espoir. J'espère qu'ils vont pas me faire des voyages dans le temps. C'est officiel, va défendre son titre. Ouais. Oh non, mais vas-y, tout le monde... Tout le monde est chez Munity de Judgment Day. Oh non.
Rhea, I thought that was you. You weren't here last time, but now you are. And that means the damn space-time continuum is misbehaving again.
I cannot even begin to understand what you're on about now, Truth. I'm about to take the Women's World Championship and a few teeth from Liv Morgan, so I haven't got time to deal with this.
It's fine. Go ahead. Ask.
Ask what?
First Cody, now you. Everyone wants to use the time machine on this playthrough.
If you weren't mad, I'd hijack your time machine, drag us into the post-apocalyptic future, and rule the desert wasteland in my big rig as Queen of the Outback while you entertain me as my court jester.
That doesn't sound like much fun for me. Too much sand, and I hate going to court. So I'll pass. Either way, don't get any ideas. The time machine is most definitely made up and not a real thing. Got it?
Whatever, Truth. I'm focused on reality, which is me winning the Women's World Championship.
Ok. C'était juste un caméo, j'espère.